Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex for week 3 of October 2019, and again it's rain and rain and more rain.
Morning.
Because the cat requires feeding, I visit the plot every day regardless of the weather. My music station has a large number of instruments available, some very good and some not so good.
No cat.
But one that I think is good is the clarinet. And it also has a good banjo. So why not try a bit of trad jazz for the background music while I clean the onions that have been drying, then taking them home to be bagged. And the bench needs clearing as I'm expecting next year's onion sets in the post. Now don't start thinking I'm a great musician. I will play a simple chord sequence, recording it, then playing it back, and as it plays I'll repeat the chord sequence with another instrument, playing the same sequence of chords to the same beat and record that. The onions arrived on Wednesday, and here you see this year's harvest for my sets for next year. The autumn sown onions now bagged, now the same procedure for the spring sown onions, which were left drying in the garage. Next day, before the rain arrives, I commence making the compost to go into the soil blockers. With the onion sets now here, I don't want to waste any time in setting them off on their growing season over the coming winter. Compost mixed, I can now proceed seeders making the soil blocks. I require 45 blocks which seed trays will take 15 sets fitting to the row of the total space. 3 rows equaling 45 blocks. The rain has brought in the cats, also looking for its new, but not before he's checked out what I'm doing and what he thinks. An extra 5 blocks were made in case of any mishaps or a lack of firing. Next morning, with the anticipation of more rain, planned to sow my broad beans, but the rain held off, so plan B was operated. As is generally known, no dig garden is heavily dependent on compost, which is why I operate with at least 2 sets of 3 bins situated at opposite ends of the plot. Compost requires turning approximately every 6 weeks, and this bin is due. So let's make it happen. That brings us to the end of another wet week. More rain is forecast. The Rugby Union World Cup is proving to be exciting, and Japan has put on a great show both in staging the event and their performance. It's been a ray of sunshine in such depressing weather. Please do like, share and comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every single time I upload a new video. Thanks very much for watching. Take care and bye.